Morning guys, got some tips on sterilizing your soil for the spring here. I'm in Pennsylvania, it was 50 degrees yesterday. I moved my microwave outside. I loaded up 2.5 pounds of potting soil that I got from a nursery. Microwaved it for about 8 minutes. You gotta make sure that the soil is moist inside the bags. I prefer to use these big storage bags because they have to reach 180 degrees or up to 220 degrees, and when they come out of the microwave they're extremely hot. You can lay them on their sides and they could dry out really fast. And then I dump them into these trays. This probably takes 3 to 4 days to dry them out. I do not put my soil in the bags wet. I let them dry. And as you see, I just rotate the wet and the dry, and I just keep flipping them over until the soil is dry, and then I mark the bag and they're ready to go for the spring. Hope you enjoyed this.